Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable lock screen ads in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you just have to go to your settings. Now click on personalization. Now go to lock screen. Here you can see get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. You just have to turn off this button. So this is how you can disable lock screen ads in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.